Hey guys, my name is Pransu and I am from Cornet Docker, and as you can see here I am here with my full stack project, which is basically an entertainment app. And you can see here I have deployed my front end on Vercel and the back end on Render. So you can see here the my home page. In my home page you can see here a search bar, here is a slider, and this slider you can see trending movies, and the next slider you can see trending TV shows. Okay, so if I will go for here, I will go here and search something in a movie, then you can see here I will get the movie of that particular title. Okay, so if I click on this poster, here I can see the trailer of that particular movie. Okay, I can also play from here, and the trailer is fetched from the YouTube. I will close it, and then I will also close it. Okay, so this is my basically a home page. Here I have a movie page, and here I have a TV series page. In a movie page you can see here is the 20 movies. Okay, latest 20 movies, and I can also load more. Okay, so I can also load more. Here you can see here in a movie page you can see here is a poster of that particular movie, the title of the particular movie, and the release date, and its ratings. If I go here and want to set bookmark, then I have a toast which is a please log in to add bookmarks. So first of all I have to log in, after that I can add my bookmarks. Okay, so I will go here for bookmark. So this is my bookmark page, but first of all I have to log in. So I will go for login. Okay, I can also click here, but I will go with this button. Okay, I will go with this button, and I will go with this button. You will redirect to the same page. Here if you have an account, then you will log in with this form, but if you have a no account, then you will go with sign up button. Here you can set your email and then password and then confirm password and sign up. Once you sign up, you are already automatically logged in. Okay, and you can also go with a sign up with Google. Okay, so but I have an account, that's why I am going with login page. My It's a basically a testing Gmail, and then I will set here password and login. Then I have redirected to my bookmark page. So you can see here is I have already a bookmark which I have set, which I have added before. So I can see that bookmark here. If I will now go for movie page and click on the same movie to add bookmark, then you can see here bookmark added successfully. If I click once again on that, then it will say bookmark already exists. Now I will go for my bookmark, and you can see here our bookmark is added successfully. Okay, I can also delete the bookmark. I will click on delete bookmark, and the bookmark is deleted, and the updated bookmarks are here. Okay, so this is a my project. It is a entertainment project, and you can see also it is a very responsive for multiple devices. Here you can see here my navbar is set it over on the page, and if I go with this, I will talk about responsiveness. You can see it is a fully responsive. Okay, as you can see here, so it is a fully responsive for mobile and also desktop. Okay, now I am going with my code, and I will show you my backend. So it is in my backend. So in the backend, you can see here I have a db.js in which I am just connecting to my MongoDB server. Okay, it's a loading. Okay, it's loaded. So here I have a set in my URL, and after that I have a try to connect with my MongoDB server. After that, I have a model which is basically my bookmark schema, and after that, I have a route in which I am uh, talking about the REST APIs, which is a GET API, POST API, and delete API. GET API for fetching the data, and you can see here I am passing my user ID from the front end, and according to that user ID, I am fetching my bookmarks, and according to that user ID, I am also posting my bookmarks, and I am deleting my bookmarks according to MongoDB generated ID, which is a created particular for a particular movie, which is created by MongoDB server. Okay, so this is my bookmark. After that, here is my server, and there is no much more files. I have not used JWT and Firebase admin here because I have authenticate my user in my front end. So that's why there is no, or you can see no authentication files. But in my front end, I have already authenticated my user, and then I will sending user ID from front end to back end. So here you can see this is my server page. In the server page, you can see here I am using course, which is basically getting request from my front end, and this is the URL of my front end. After that, there is nothing, and the port and localhost. If you want to run, my server is running on localhost 5,000, and it is a middleware. So this is my server.js and a backend files. Now I will go for my front end, and this is my front end. In the front end, you can see here is a src folder in which I have a components. In the components folder, I have a CSS components in which loader, navbar, search bar, slider, and they are slider.css js. These are the CSS components. In a home media, there's two also components: media recommended and recommended TV shows. These are not much more important, but these pages are much more important. Here's I have a bookmark page, detail detail page, home page, login page, movie page, and sign up page, TV series page. As you can see here, in a home page, uh, I have used search bar, media recommend, and recommended TV shows. In a login page, you can see here there are a lot of stuff in this page. I have used handle login and sign up handle, logout handle for the functionalities of login page. Okay, so here are a lot of stuff, and in the movie page there is I'm using an API. Okay, in an API, and serving my movies data. The API is the movie DB API. Okay, and from this API I am just fetching my data, the movie DB API. Okay, here I have a sign up page. Here I have a TV series page. TV series page is basically similar to the movie.jsx. Here I have a utilities, fetch multimedia token. After that, I have a app.js. In the app.js, I am just passing my all the routes here. Okay, the path, movie path, TV series path, bookmark path, and there are a lot of and more. In the context, this is a very important file. In the context.jsx, I have just I have just trying to fetch bookmarks from the backend, and I have just trying to I am just also sending the user ID from the front end to backend. You can see here when I am fetching my bookmarks, here you can see I am also sending my user.uid to backend to fetch particular bookmarks related to that particular user. Okay, so it is a my bookmark page, fetching bookmark, and after that I have here delete bookmark. It is a delete bookmark, and it is a add bookmark. From here it is a add bookmark. Okay, so this is a add bookmark. Here you can see I am just also posting. I am using REST API post, which is a basically used on according to my user, and I am sending my user ID to backend from this context.js. So here it is a my context.js. here is index.css in which I am using tailwind, you can see, and this is the main.jsx. Here I am just serving my app. It is a get ignore file, ESLint file, and fire.jsx. Firebase.jsx is my file related to authentication, and in this file I am just authenticated. Here's some basic material to authenticate, which is used for authenticate my user. Okay, and in a login page I am just using these authentications. You can see here I am just using this Firebase authentication method. Okay, and in the login page I am also already I'm trying to authenticate my user. After that, if I will go here, it is my index.html, and it is a package.json, and readme, it is a readme file. Okay, and tailwind configure.js, version.json. For each every path you can serve a basic file, a base file, which is a index.html. Here is a readconfig.js and vtestconfig.js. Okay, so these are my files and of front end files.